News, oh, my lovely, wonderful people. Not be smart, Dele Momodu dot Wike say, he good like that, Abi. Say, Wike, I admire you, but there is only one major thing you should know. When you turn yourself to a betrayer, the result of betrayal, now you will get. You know, beyond that result you get, the result of where they betray people, that kind of result go reach your hand. And that result, so now you know the gates. Say truly admire you. And things where you do, things where you say I understand. Say, but the level where you take, so the result where you go get, now you know the see so. So when you look the whole thing, Dele Momo don't tell Wike say now what is the result of what they have to the people where they do it, they do so now you know the get. Please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like us, share, subscribe. Dele Momodu, a media Mugon, recently shared details about the friendship he has had with the former Rivers State Governor Nyesom Wike. In the lengthy post on his Instagram, Dele Momodu talked about their friendship, how it ended due to Wike's lack of anger management despite his hospitality. Dele Momodu admitted that Wike's capacity for project delivery and appreciation for successful collaboration was great. However, their relationship took a turn when Wike started planning his presidential bid without informing Dele Momodu. He said all that happened and continued to happen has led to where we are today. Wike worked against his party because of the presidential bid. Yes, Atiku won the primaries and represented the People Democratic Party. However, Wike never wanted any of such and took it very personal. He did not only not support Atiku, but took other members of the party, calling themselves G5. He supported, not behind closed doors, but right before everybody, the All Progressive Congress, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Today, Tinubu is president and is expecting to be rewarded. However, he's been shown the door as the possibility of him getting the ministerial position is dwindling. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will rather give it to a party member, even though they are not on the same page. Report reaching us now is that Wike's effort, all he did to circumvent the success of the People Democratic Party and support Tinubu in order for a reward, is now being thrown to the dust. As President Bola Ahmed Tinubu wants to give the ministerial position to Amechi. We are hearing different matters and issues going on in the states. Some persons are saying he should give the ministerial position to Wike. However, how can you leave your party member and give it to someone who is not a member of your party? He may give Wike one contract or two, but what Wike really thought he will get, he's been disappointed. This is what happened, and this is the result of those who betray or beat the fingers that fed them. Wike started with the People Democratic Party and rose up the ranks and served as a governor for 2 tenure. The same man has now turned on his party because he did not get what he wants. Anger management is a serious part that every leader must pay attention to, or you will destroy the very essence of the things that you should have used to build and to be your shield. Today, he's getting the reward of some of the seeds he has sown. Dele Aloko, you talk Dele Momodu, you don't talk well. You know, and the owner of a Vision magazine, where people they do where they call Postion and all that. Now Dele Momodu na get her. It's what Wike do so. Wike fight against his own party because he wants to see Tinubu win. And now Tinubu don't win. If you say they go reward them, if you say reward, they come for her. However, that reward now, it be like when they take your hope. When person carry raw egg, it calls that he hit the rock. Oh dear. Up to today, I never know the technology they don't put together to pick the pieces of the egg together and to put the shell, say no one missing. I never hear they don't get that technology, but say science, they grew very quickly. With the year of all the AI, the new development, probably there is one. If you don't know, if you let me know, because they learn every day, and I will say thank you to you. But I've not heard that, that egg that has been scattered on top of the splattered on top of the rock will be mended together. And we say they do to Wike hope right now. Wike stand against the party, say we say na him be chairman. After him, na him again. He won't scatter PDP. Today, he not scatter, na him they scatter himself. You dey see and so those things now don't they not say that the things that they crop, that they come back, left, right, and center, that they find route to come back. Wike now they shock. And then they say, no, it's not saying they wrong with Wike. You say Wike just get problem. And Wike problem and anger management. Where should have sat down and think about things very carefully and understand what is going on. Pay attention and probably come to where we call dialogue, okay, or have that negotiation. However, we can don't abandon all that. When we can verse, say verse, he say for hospitality. Oh yeah, say we can at 110%. We can go. It's very hospitable. He go welcome you. He go attend to you. Say at the end of this, you say you go shock. You go do things where you say you go be happy. If you say not be friend. He say but when we can verse, say that are the weakness. And a man is as strong as his weakness. If you cannot manage it and be able to master it, as good as the qualities that may be those parts that will be appreciated and celebrated, it can still be the very downfall of the very man. You dey see am so now the things be this way they happen. So my people, now waiting they go on. I Dele Momo they tell and say, Wike, I tell you that I be I not tell you. You don't see now the result. They don't call your result. You don't say no they tell. That day Wike they feel say after in again. Tinubu no who born Tinubu? Tinubu not dear ministerial position. He go get where it's called shocker. So it don't reach your side. We they get the reform for you. We say more let everybody know say we say your name may be blotted out. The ministerial whatever they never fully give a verdict on and say now go to now the position be this so, but there is a possibility say your name may be expunged from that list and another name will be docked into that document, and by the end of the day when ministers are called, you may be found wanting because you have not been found to be qualified or appreciable enough to meet up with the required prerequisite site, and now your name is totally out of the game. See the many English that they speak just to talk to Wike, where betrayal is not a good thing. Person don't do something for you, don't deal with you, they call betrayal. If you say you don't win, no, now time it go take. There's a day we tell. They say they tell tea. Now this one a tales we tell. Anyway, my people, now here we did together. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. You too much. Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe. God bless. Have a fantastic day. From us, it's bye for now.